In this video, we'll talk about LangShop theme and why does LangShop create a localized copy of your original theme. LangShop theme is a duplicate or a copy of your original theme. It is exactly the same template that you can use and customize for your online store. The only difference between the original and the LangShop theme lies in its functionality. When you're selling in multiple languages, you probably want the app to translate all data in your online store into different languages, which is possible, but with the LangShop theme. Since LangShop supports Shopify Translation API, it is responsible for the output of the multilingual content. In other words, Shopify API displays translations to international customers that you translate with the help of LangShop. At this time, Shopify API does not translate text, images, and static text. A lot of merchants use their original themes like Debut, Brooklyn, or any other theme built by third-party developers. If you use tags in your online store to sort and organize your products and collections and want to translate all the mentioned sources, then you should create a LangShop theme. LangShop theme adds code and assets to the template engine to search for tags and display them at your storefront. You can also change images for your products and display different media files for different versions of your store. To create a LangShop theme, open LangShop admin, go to Online Store, Themes, select the original theme that you want to localize, click Actions, Create Localized. There's also information pops up about LangShop theme and what it does. Read this carefully and click Create. Please wait for LangShop to create a copy of your original theme. As soon as you're ready to publish LangShop theme, click Actions, Publish. Now all data and translations are 100% visible to international customers. If you don't use tags, prefer to keep the original images for all the versions, you don't have any static text in the code, you can continue to work with the original theme. And finally, LangShop theme serves as a backup. If you accidentally delete the original theme or did not make a backup reserve copy, you can restore LangShop theme to its original state, remove all LangShop code inside the theme by clicking on Actions, Revert Liquid. If you have any questions how to translate product tags or change images, feel free to contact our support team via 24/7 live chat, give us a call, or write an email. Subscribe to the LangShop Help Center for weekly updates, learn how to translate your online store, and use all features inside the app. Thanks for watching!